This is Dylan Duke with MFE out of Dripping Springs, Texas. We've been in the testing business for over 25 years and have locations across the US and Canada, with additional locations in Mexico, Egypt, and Dubai. I'd like to show you the MFE EBT Screener we just released in response to CV19. This is designed to look for elevated body temperature. We put together a complete system. This model includes a thermal camera at 640 by 480, a custom kiosk, a monitor that connects to a computer that is running an automated thermal software, and a black body which provides a constant temperature for the thermal camera. We can configure this system to your requirements. For example, we can mount the cameras on the wall or create a solution for a desktop stand. The automated software will provide a reading of the internal temperature based on the area near the tear duct, which is the only area of the body to get a true reading of the internal body temperature. The test only takes a few seconds. As you can see, my temperature was 99 and the alarm was not set off. If I had a temperature reading above a preset setting, for example 100.4, the alarm would trigger. The operator can stand behind the kiosk and view the screening, or they can connect to a system from another location. I'd like to point out that this system, as with all thermal camera systems, is a screening tool. It is not a medical diagnostic tool to determine if a person has a fever, a virus, or if they are healthy. The system is quickly screening people to determine their internal body temperature. If they set off the alarm, a second test will be required to verify if they have a fever. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of our EBT screener. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 844-867-3686 or find us online at mfescan.com or mferentals.com. Thank you and stay safe.